Good evening, all. It's me, Gujarati from National Child Development Council as the Circle or Nightingale Circle. Today, we are going to arrange a webinar, nano webinar on mural painting. So, we have Simna ma'am here with us. She's ready to give share some knowledge about mural painting, right, Simna ma'am?
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Girta ma'am, for giving an opportunity. And
Yeah.
I will share my knowledge about mural painting now.
Thank you, Simna ma'am. So, I would like to welcome you to this program and all the best. We all are eagerly waiting for your.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, we can start.
Yes.
Others all
So,
ready? Means I would like to welcome all participants to this program. Okay, please be there with your active windows. Means please open your windows and sit. Then it will be more active. You can ask doubts to her. Okay.
yes, because this will be an interactive session because there is no mural painting means it is not enough time. Will not. So I will say some basic information about mural painting. So, I think most of you know what mural painting is, right? Anybody know? Yes, mural painting. It is. Am I audible to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
My video is stuck. Yes, okay. So mural painting is whatever we paint directly into a wall. So that is mural painting. It might be any image, but we have a tradition of mural painting. In India, there is a lot of traditional. We can see in temples and palaces and all mural painting. So it's been in back to centuries, the mural paintings. So we now what recreate this mural painting because this is a very old tradition, the very what effort taking tradition we have. Such a beautiful images, stories we can take from that mural painting. If you see in the temples and all, we can see lot of we can see the stories with pictures. From that pictures, we can understand a lot of stories. So to recreate what that culture not so we are recreating it again. So that is why now there are a lot of mural painting classes going on in different temples like Guru and we can see if you go to different temples and churches we can see mural paintings also. And what now we have a lot of paints, right? We get a lot of paints in the market, but in earlier times there are particular colors for mural paintings, and mainly five main colors we use for mural paintings. That is red, yellow, green, black, white, and red, yellow, green, black, white, and these are the main colors we use in mural paintings. Because and in earlier times these colors are made from laterite stones, and yellow and red from laterite stones, and black from that sesame oil, sesame seeds that will burnt, and that color is used as black color. And green is made from mixing some that uh, neel, neelambi leaves we say. I don't know the English word of that, so we mix that. So like that we use the color combinations we use. And white is a basic, we use a wall color, and the base will be white color. If it is not a white color, we make it white color. That is with lime we make white. So in mural painting we have a base always will be white. That is how we make mural painting. And I usually do mural paintings in fabrics because I always do in a fabric in clothes. I do mural paintings because we can use canvas also. If you are using a canvas, the paint is different. That is acrylic paint we'll use, and in clothes we use fabric painting. So And I will tell some names of the paint we wanted to that is available in the market, so that we can use it in the mural painting mixing. That is one is a sap green. I will show you that green color. This is the sap green color, and if this is used for what the leaves and the petals, and that colors and all is used with the sap green. And these two colors, that is the golden yellow and the scarlet red, these two colors, these are for outlining the mural. We have to outline it, the picture, whatever picture the we are painting, we are going to draw. We first will draw a outline, and with that first we'll draw outline with yellow, and over that we'll outline with this red, scarlet red. Not only for that scarlet red, these two colors are used for face also. The goddess gods, the powerful faces and all, we use these colors. And we have black for last finishing. We use black for hair, for eyes and all, we use black. And next is yellow. Yellow we'll use for two types of yellow. Already I said about golden yellow. This is a lemon yellow. Lemon yellow is used for mixing the colors with, we'll use for peacock feathers and all. And you can ask me something like, otherwise I will say like this, and maybe confusions arouse. And these are some main colors we use in mural painting. So I will show this is it is very difficult for you to show a big painting in this session. So I will show how a feather is painted, in a mural feather will be painted. So first of all, I'm going to take a white cloth. I have taken a white cloth here, and I have outlined with the now I just outlined with a pencil, but actually I use yellow carbon paper to trace this. But I didn't have it. I only have white carbon paper now, so this is a white cloth, so I didn't do that. Well, how to make a feather? Peacock feather. First we'll make a heart, like the shape will do. And like this, and like this outline I have did in this cloth. And first what I'm going to do is paint the inner portion, inner color. So this what I'm going to tell is about clothes. So this is a white cloth, so I don't need to do any base color here. But if I'm doing in any other color, that is a black cloth or any dark color, first we have to paint white base here. Now this is a white cloth, so no need to do that. So first what I'm going to do is to do the inner portion of the peacock feather. The other pictures and all, it will be difficult for me to show. That is why I'm doing this one. Okay, so inner portion I'm painting. I'm filling this middle portion with the blue color. Fully I will not paint because I have to bring a white mix here. This much I painted, and some more portion is left there, so there I will use white color to mix it. So I will get a beautiful shade of white, light shade. Now I have created a light shade in the bottom portion. Can you see? Yes. Now this middle portion has completed, and actually we have to wait for a minute because otherwise all the colors will get mixed. So now I'm not going to. There is no time to dry this color. So I'm doing the other color again. Next color is, as I already told, the sap green. If you everybody have different vision of feather, like peacock feather. If we clearly uh, see a feather, there will be lot of colors. I mean, different people will have different see different colors. So, but mainly the colors what we see are using here. And mural, we have, as I already told, 5 main colors we use. That is white, this. So next, sap green I'm using. Sap green also, the next part. In between, if you have any doubt also, you can ask. Here also, the sap green is, we have to mix with the lemon yellow. Otherwise, that 3D effect and a peacock feather effect, if we wanted to bring there, we have to mix the colors. So I'm using sap green and yellow in the second session. So I shade here and some here yellow. I'm wiping with the cloth my brush. This portion also I completed. You can see a yellow shade in between them.
Yes, ma'am.
The next color here I'm going to use is a scarlet red. But scarlet red and golden yellow, as I already showed. But if you wanted, you can also use this. This is copper, pearl metallic copper color. But I'm going to use these two colors, scarlet red and yellow now. First, I will paint with the red color. If you are drawing a small picture, use very thin brush, pointed brush, always. I am not going to completely fill this red. As I already told, I have to bring shade of yellow, golden yellow here. Yes, now I'm using some portion I have left here. I will do with yellow. Now I brought a yellow shade in this red color. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very nice, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So that is the one more outline we have to give it again with the sap green and small outline. Okay. Okay. See, I also did an outline. So this is the basic mural peacock feather, and now we have to the strokes. We very thin, using with a very thin brush. We'll do the strokes. So for peacock feather, we can see different colors, right? Golden, copper color, we can see green color will be there, black will be there. We keenly observe the feather, we can see different colors. So with different paints, we'll make the strokes. First, I'm going to do with this green only, dark green. So the strokes should be very thin and with a very small tip brush. This is the brush I'm going to use for making the strokes. Okay. From here, I will start like this. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that, we'll do the whole portion. With this green color, I have done this. Yeah. Now I am going to use another color, another green color. So these all our own what ideas. Okay. So this is the leaf green, light green. Okay, light green. Again, I will do the same strokes. Not on the above that green color. So the rest of the place we'll do by giving some extra strokes. Because now mural painting we are using, we can see different colors. Even though the basic there are 5 colors only, uh, we are making some changes. So that look little more attractive, and that dullness will not be there. In the normal mural painting, the colors are very dull because there are natural colors. We have limited colors we can make through natural colors, but now there are a lot of colors available. So we make some changes, especially in fabrics. Okay, so I completed that green color. Now I use this copper metallic to give that shining effect we see in a feather. So can you see that golden color also? Now what is that? I have to say is black color. Black color is always used in mural painting. If only after that a finishing will come for a painting. Whatever the image is, the picture of a goddess or a picture of a flower, a tree. You can see lot of images, isn't it? Whatever we are making, final touch is outline with the black color. But here I'm not doing any outline here, but in the feather we can see black color also, right? So some black strokes also is needed. You might think why black color, but black is necessary. But you should not make a thick stroke, very thin stroke with black color. And don't press the brush while making the stroke. Very lightly you have to do. Otherwise, the stroke will become very thick and will not look good. Your feather will become very colors we say Panchavarna, 5 colors. That is the 5 main colors we use in mural painting. But as I already told, now we see different colors in mural painting. Bright colors we can see. So this is the peacock feather. And at last, with white, that this portion, the stick portion, will make a white small. Okay. This is the peacock feather.
Wow, very
Finish.
beautiful, Simra ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Very nice.
Superb, ma'am.
Very
Superb.
beautiful.
Because this is the simplest thing I can show in this session. That's why I choose this peacock feather. And if you have any doubt regarding the mural, other things, you can ask also. So this is how we paint. It is very, if we try to concentrate on that, that is very easy to paint only, not a very big task. And when I am drawing big pictures, what I do is take use a carbon paper and make an outline. If we are able to draw it, what if I can draw an image, I will draw. And in a traditional way of mural painting technique and teaching, will be taught how to draw the images also, how to draw the eyes, the eyebrows, the hair, the hand postures, and all will be there, different postures. So there is a proportion for that, different postures and the different hand mudras and the expressions, eye expressions and all. We have different ratios. So that for that we have to learn very spiritually we have to learn, and the special classes are also there for such kinds of mural painting. Especially if we are painting in a temples and all, we have a very a special way of learning that. And we can learn that from that images, the eye proportion, the two eyes proportion, how to, where to place the eyes, where to draw the nose and all, we will learn it correctly. And now many are using the mural painting, as I already told, in fabrics and all. So what we can, a simple way of using is to draw it. If you can look and draw, then that is good, very good. And after that we have to trace it into the paper. Sorry, the cloth. That is using the different kinds of carbon papers like yellow and white, mainly used in this painting. And I also use the same. That is why if I can draw it, I will draw. And in that any A4 sheet or any paper, I will draw first, and then I will use a tracing paper or butter paper to trace that image, and then I will just transform it into the cloth. Or if it is a canvas, then no problem. You can draw directly into the canvas and then do the outline with this yellow and then red, and you can paint. So that is about a mural painting. And there are it is a vast topic, and if you have any doubts regarding that, you can ask, and I will try to explain to you. And I have another one I already painted before. So this is another feather.
It's a pillow cover or something. What's it, ma'am?
No, ma'am, this is a shirt, ma'am. Shirt. I folded.
Shirt. Yeah.
Shirt. and I also did in some saris and all. But in sari, not actual mural. I used different colors, but sari that it is difficult to show in the screen.
So you are using mobile phone?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you use the back camera? Then you can show it, right?
I can use. If that is okay, then I will show.
Yes, yes, yeah. Henrietta ma'am, Akshaya ma'am, you know anything about a mural painting?
No, ma'am. Actually, when I was seeing, then only I understood that only few colors are used for this mural painting.
Yeah, actually, in traditional way, we are using the natural color only for mural painting. But nowadays, the design we are using and the fabric colors and we're using, right, Simna ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. We are recreating it a little more looking colorful. See, this is a one painting I did in a sari, and
Wow,
here,
beautiful.
yes,
Beautiful.
this is a different. Many colors are there because Kathakali and all. Actually, when mural painting in temples and all, there at that time there was no Kathakali and all, right? And then only these colors came. That costume, the dress, that orange and colors and all later came. So to make that into the clothes, we use these colors. There are different colors, so we use that. So to draw this picture, draw this image, what I did is I did enlarged the carbon paper. I drew it and again I traced into this fabric and then I outlined. An outline is a must. A very sharp outline is necessary. Then after that, we'll paint it using different shades. We paint it. So this is one sari.
That was right and nice, right, ma'am? Superb.
Yes, yes. Oh
Yeah,
my
super
God.
picture.
And how much time you took to complete that drawing?
Yes, that is. It takes a lot of time, man. Because
Oh, okay.
yes, the colors should not mix with the other colors, right? So it will take time, and it is a time-consuming job. But if you are very interested in that, that does not matter to us. And for completing a whole sari and all, it will take a lot of time. If we are a family person, then of course there will be some limitations for us to sit in a place and do painting, right? So we have to plan it and do that.
Ma'am, is there any
And,
rule?
yes.
Rule? Is there any rule to do the pictures in mural style?
Actual murals, there is rules like base should be white, always white, and for that in the wall and all we use white color, white lime. We use white lime and then draw the outline, and that yellow color and red color outline which is a must. And if you're using a canvas for that, same. First we have to draw an outline, then white yellow color and red color outline we'll do, and fill the color, fill in with the light yellow. We use the water, we'll mix that, and then we'll give shade, different color, all these five colors, mainly these five colors. So we'll have flowers and all in the mural paintings, like these ear flowers will be there, and facial expressions, and for gods and all, we use different face colors for goddesses, like this yellow and red shades we use for face. And that Lord Krishna, we know that It is a blue, but that blue also that is we use here is cerulean blue. Not all blue we'll use, and cerulean blue we'll use. And ornaments also there is some rules like we can't draw any kind of ornament. There is a particular design or design ornaments we use in mural, actual mural painting, mural drawing. And some strokes will be different, like different lot of curves and all will be there in proper mural painting. And these five colors are natural colors earlier we used. Still some temples and all I think natural colors, but to last long, this is an effort work, right? So earlier there was no paint so used, and but still we have some rules. If we are painting temples and all, some colors should be natural only. That is also important.
That time, what all things we are using for making colors, ma'am? Means for different. For green, we can use leaves and some just like anything. Can you share?
Yes, green. Yes, green, red color and yellow color, that is from laterite stones. We create this yellow laterite stone for yellow color, and red laterite for red color, and white is always from lime, and the black color from that sesame oil, sesame seed. We'll burn it, and that powder, that is the black color we're using. And green is also I don't know the actual name of that in English, and we mix that to make the green pigment. That is how we make the green color.
What's the Malayalam name of it?
Neelamari, we'll say.
Neelamari. Okay.
That is indigo, right?
And yes, indigo, correct. Indigo, and one more thing that is mixed that I don't know properly. And with that we'll mix that green color to make that green pigments and green shades we use. This is the main green color. We don't use any other green color for this mural painting, the sap green, because every whatever the green shades come, we use this green color only. The other green, leaf green and all, that was I use if I will have one idea, right, to make something in my, and to make it
Yes.
more attractive. So that time we use different colors in clothes only, but proper mural rule is different. Only these five colors.
Okay.
And ma'am, if you are doing something in the cloth and all, how we will, when washing time, what are the care that we have to give?
Yes, washing time, this fabric paint, it will last for many, it does not fade in 1 or 2 washes. And now I have painted this, right? After 24 hours, we can iron it. We have to iron it. Either you have to place a newspaper and iron it, otherwise the other side, the wrong side we'll iron. Then it will be fixed, the paint will be fixed. And do not rough wash, like don't scrub and wash, otherwise no problem. Just a normal hand wash is okay, no problem. Even mine also never faded, the paint and all. Any other doubt?
No, mine it was the main doubts. So the colors and all. So even for blue also, blue. What is the color we are using? Blueberry.
Blue, mainly
The
blue
fruits.
color. It is used. Blue color, actually, there is no blue color used in mural. These, but
No, what
blue
about a
we
Krishna
use
and all?
cerulean.
Krishna, they are using
Yes,
blue, right?
Krishna. Yes, Krishna. Earlier, actually, we use Krishna, that is green color. We are using, because divine and sattvic images when we are painting, it is actually green color we use, that shades of green. But this green, sap green and yellow, with that we'll make a, but we should be very careful that it should not be very dark. But now we are using cerulean blue. That color
Mhm.
is the proper color of Krishna. And
Yes, ma'am.
that
Means now, I
that
just googled that time. I can see many Krishna with a blue color. That's why I asked.
yes,
Mural,
that we
yeah.
use cerulean blue. Yes. Now we are using the paint cerulean blue, but I don't know in past what color they used.
Uh-huh.
That
Okay.
cerulean blue and white, we mix that both, because if only we are using cerulean blue, it will be very dark shade. So very light, the borders and all we use blue color. Then in the middle we use very light mixed with that, and then we make a proper face. Then only the proper face will come.
Okay. But in so mainly, I think that a golden, so golden yellow, and so some that mud color that's using, is it right? Mainly
Yes. That
for
is
face
this
and body.
color.
Yeah,
This is for
face
face.
and body. Yeah.
Face and this and shade. In the border we'll use that red color, and we before drying it we have to shade it, so that a shaded effect will come, and it will become like a
And in
that
mural,
it comes.
ma'am,
We
one
change
more thing, so like I noticed in mural, many circles will be there. Means not the full circles, just like the curve, what we can say, curve type of
yes,
different many
that is
designs.
what I told. There will be lot of curved strokes in the mural art. Yeah, I don't know the actual what is the meaning behind that. Maybe a kind of art. That is why it is like that. But there will be curves in the dresses, in the flowers and all. Every flowers and the joint will be a curve, like I show.
Means it will looks like a story, right? Means the mural paintings when we are watching,
Yes.
we will feel like a
These kind
story.
of
Yeah.
yes.
Yes,
These
yes,
kind
yes.
of curves we'll see in mural painting.
Yes.
Yes.
No,
Everywhere
and that
in between.
expressions also will be there on their faces. I mean, so on the pictures' faces.
Yes.
Right. Different
Yes.
emotions. Yeah.
And lips and all, it will be very elongated lips, not very thick and small lips. We'll see very elongated
Yeah.
lips.
Eyes
We'll
and
see.
all will be highlighted, right?
Yes.
In murals. That's and all I noticed in murals.
Yes.
Like
Eyes.
and
Eyes will be
yeah.
lips.
And that
Yes,
what I last time I visited one or Illam, it's Palamurdi Illam I visited. There is one mural art there. That's when they are closing the bulb. Means they when they are turn off the light, it will reflect that picture. We can see the means like that's natural color only they used, but we can see in just like a fluorescent.
fluorescent
Yeah,
color we
yeah.
can see. Okay.
Yeah, that way we can
Yes.
see it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it will shine
But
in the dark.
that yes. About that, I don't know much information. I don't have much information. Is it the old picture or other? They yes,
No,
they
recently,
have
I think
created.
recently they made it. Dharman's, I
Made.
think he's very expert in mural. And means
Yes. So
not in dark, but just like a moonlight and or something only they are when they're adjusting the bulb light, they're adjusting, and it will be very fade light only, not that much, very blur. That much only it will be, but it's shining. We can see that pictures, and their expressions will be very clear.
clear.
That was so
Yes.
amazing.
So
Yeah.
making the expressions and all perfect, we have to use black color. The final touch will be black. These curves and all, in the beginning we'll not use the curves while painting. At the end, we do the with the black thin brush. We'll use this for outlining. Then this will become visible. These curves and all. Then only the mural painting finishes and it will look beautiful.
Okay, so Henrietta ma'am, I think it was
Maybe
very nice.
the gaps will be filled with these curves.
Curves, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. So Henrietta ma'am, can we wind up then?
Yes,
It
yes.
was
Even the
nice
clouds and
information.
all also will be.
Clouds,
shown,
yeah, I was going to ask that. I forgot about that. Actually, means clouds also means just like curves.
Clouds also will be.
Yeah, like this. Yeah.
Yes.
And there also color shades will be there inside the clouds, right? Different, just like you
Yes,
drawn
yes,
that peacock
white
feather,
and
the same,
light
yeah.
blue.
Yellow, that's not yellow, not
Yeah.
orange type or something. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So Simna ma'am, it was very wonderful session. Means we got many knowledge
Yes.
about mural painting. So I would like to invite Henrietta ma'am to express the gratitude towards you.
Okay, thank you, Girija ma'am. Thank you very much. And Jia Sinha ma'am, it was a wonderful session indeed. What we can say, I was not aware about all these natural colors, how these mural paints are made. You gave that information as well as you were showing that one lively, right? That peacock feathers. So I was so happy to see that you are doing it. You are such a wonderful art you were doing, and those people who are able to draw it or they are able to come up with this kind of talent, they are really blessed. So you are a blessed person, and also you share your ideas, and you also gave a lot of information about it, and also you cleared all our small doubts as well. So it was a wonderful session. So thank you very much, Simna ma'am. I'm thanking you on behalf of NCDC and Girija ma'am for hosting such a wonderful session. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
you.
Thank you so
Thank you, Henrietta ma'am. Thank you, Simna ma'am, and to all participants, those who came here to know about mural painting. So I think we can wind up the session. Thank you all once again. Thank you so much.